guys, it's Courtney and I'm here with my friend Kate. So today we're going to be showing you guys my bangin' crib.
MTV, welcome.
Welcome. So I'm going to link her Instagram down below because she doesn't have a YouTube, but shouldn't she make videos? So you guys should definitely follow her and we're going to get started and show you what this place is all about. Okay, but before we do anything else, I'm going to give you guys an overview of the room and then we'll just start going from there. So we walk in and see this beautiful woman just sitting on my bed. And then right here we have the armoire. Armoire? Yeah. Armoire. I'm just going to do a quick overview. Empty over there. I'm not done completely with my room, but yeah, we'll get to that part. All right, so where do we begin?
How about the condom hanging from your ceiling?
Beautiful.
Really just brings the room together.
It does.
Like,
Pier 1 Imports really knows how to tie a room together.
IKEA, got it.
Same thing.
Got it.
You know, CVS, whatever is most convenient for you.
Ties
but
together.
Really, really beautiful.
Makes everything pop.
Exactly. Okay, so here we have the armoire where I keep. Up here is my bodysuits, but a lot of them are in the wash, so I don't really have all of them here. And then here is like underwear and socks. So down, and right there are some like going out tops that you can't really see. Like, I don't know. I wear mostly black, as you can tell, so. Here are my workout clothes, and then here are some of my shorts. Again, a lot of them are in the wash, so yeah. And then over here, that's my makeup drawers. If you guys want me to do a makeup collection, then let me know. And then I have some of my perfumes here. This one is the Chance by Chanel. Yeah, that one is like my everyday perfume. I have the little Nicki Minaj one, which I think looks cute on there because it's like literally her frickin' body. I'm sweating. And then I have Urban Decay all-nighter spray, my makeup brushes, a candle that I made with my sorority. And then here is some of my jewelry, my earrings, some necklaces. And then here are some like bracelets and stuff. This guy who came to visit me and then went berserk, left his $2,000 watch here, so like winning. And then here are some earrings that I don't wear right now. There's like some Christmas ones and then just like random earring backs and stuff like that. Here we have a Chanel sign that one of my friends who isn't my friend anymore got me. And then we have my sorority letters that my big got me. And then my sister got me this cute little sign thingy here that lights up different colors, but I like that one the best. And then a little postcard from New York that I got. And then we have my salt lamp here. Test that out, Kate. It's actually real. You can really taste the saltiness. Beautiful, beautiful. It's actually salty. People are like, no, yeah, it is.
How many? You probably sit here at night. You sit here at night and lick it.
I'm not gonna lie, I do sometimes. Times are tough. You never know what you might be into at those late hours of the night when you're lonely and your head's spinning. So, and then we have my little seed lock, my big got me, and then a candle. I don't know where I got that from. This little coaster that I thought it looked cute on. And then my sister got me this plant. I think it's from Target. And then I have this little, what is that called? Like, not incense.
No,
is it incense?
Yeah, I think it is. No, incense burn.
No, yeah. It's one of those things you put it in, like, it's like perfumey kind of. You put the little sticks in and it like, I don't know, it smells good. I got that from Nordstrom for free, actually. Right there, I have another candle and this, like, stress
aromatherapy lotion from Bath and Body. I love that collection.
So
love
good.
It. Love it.
I mean, when the pills aren't working, you just need a little lube, okay? And then those are Katie's Yeezys. Not a flex or anything, but like, you know, whatever. We have some more perfumes and lotions, nail polish remover, some nail polish is there. Ladies, you know what that's for. Oh, and then under my bed I just have, okay, just like electronic stuff, my laptop, stuff to like, what is it called? Like edit with, like all that garb. And then my trash can, my dog usually eats all my trash, so it's usually not there. And then above Katie's melon, we have this beautiful sign right here. It says, well, you guys can read it. Wake up,
kick ass,
repeat. And then my mom's friend gave me this mirror. And And then another poster.
We can read that. It says, good vibes only. You know how we're
We don't need that negative energy, bro.
You know how we be rolling.
You know.
You know how we rock it.
You know how we stepping, mama. You know what's up.
You know how I'm walking out of the crib. Good vibes only.
This is literally so cringy. Here we have this wall. Yeah, so it's really blank right now, but I'm gonna mount my TV there. You know, my mom's boyfriend was supposed to do it like yesterday, but hey, it's fine, like vibes. And I don't really know what else I'm gonna put on this wall. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. A lot of my college decorations are like downstairs, so I might like bring some of those up. Yeah, right there. That's what it looks like. And then we're going into my closet right now. Oh, Katie, you look so studious. Where do you go to school?
Actually, I graduated with my doctorate.
Okay, yeah. How many years did you go to school?
Oh, I did it in 2.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Bless up. You are a smart pickle.
I know, 2 years.
Smart cookie? No, you're a smart pickle. You look like a doctor with those on. Damn.
What's going on today, sir?
Doctor.
Can I check you out?
And then we're going into my closet because I feel like people like to see what I have in here. So I have a few purses right there, an extra blanket in case anyone sleeps over or whatever. Then I have only 2 pair, well, I had another pair of glasses, but Katie has them on. But yeah, I have so many other sunglasses that they're downstairs, I just, you know. And then here I keep my pajamas. Those are waist trainers. Here is some art supplies you can't really see. And then here are my bathing suits. And then here's some of my summer shoes. So obviously not all of them, like, who do you think I am? So right here I have this bin. We have bras on top, bralettes right here. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. And then I have sports bras down there. I have my laundry basket in here that I usually don't keep in here, but like whatever. I have water bottles in here that I just didn't feel like throwing it out. I felt really bad for them because I just haven't drank them. I have skirts here. You can't really see very well, but skirts here, some regular sweatshirts and sweatpants there, and then I have like Greek stuff here. I have like Alpha Phi stuff, fraternity, like sweatshirts and stuff like that, and then here are all my Alpha Phi t-shirts, and then I have an Alpha Phi bag back there. I hang my long necklaces on this hanger, but I don't know where like half of them went. I mean, whatever. And then I have on here I keep like scarves and stuff like that in the winter, and then I keep belts, which half of them are also not here, like my sister borrowed some. And then I have a fanny pack right here. I keep some tops and jeans and stuff, even though it's summer, like I feel like I need to like have stuff just like for when some of the days are colder. Here's a longer skirt, and then here's a little dress, a jacket, some more jackets, Alpha Phi rain jacket, and then up here I just have like my Nintendo like electronics, just random stuff that I don't really like use that often. So, and then here's my light. It's a little diamond. What are you doing, Poppy?
You can send your name on a rover to Mars and then engrave it into Mars for free. And I'm gonna do it.
You're an idiot.
That's like so cool. My name is gonna be on Mars.
Why is this like a thing that you're just like where did you get this idea from? You just like randomly decided to like do it?
I think it's cool. I think it's really cool.
I actually hate you.
I'm doing it right now.
Oh my God, you're the worst. Okay, we have to close this video out. Ready? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure while I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's actually so hot in here. Fun fact, there's no fan and the AC is garbage.
It's up here, like downstairs, it's like 20 degrees colder.
Do you know why? Fun fact.
What? Science?
That is why I'm a doctor.
Right. Make sure to follow Kate on Instagram and tell her to make a YouTube channel because she's pretty funny sometimes. So make sure to subscribe, like the video.
Don't like it, don't comment, don't subscribe, don't give her any likes, whatever. Just kidding. Do it all. Do it all. Do it all. You know the drill. You know the drill.
And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.